Hey guys, so I'm coming back to you with another unit, and it is by Sensational Bare Lace. It is so nice to have a tone that can actually, match our skin color. So here's a 13 by 6 lace frontal. And the unit here is the Sensational Unit 4. I got the color number 1. As you can see, this unit here is very long. It looks very real. And these are just the instructions here that, if you need to follow. But if you a synthetic girly, you already know what it is. These are different colors that it come in. But I just wanted to do a jet black unit for this. So just, enjoy this while I am giving you a nice little show and tell. Baby, look at this. What you gonna say? Nothing. The texture in this unit is like a yaki perm texture. If you're a girly girl that know the yaki perm texture, you get it. I'm splitting apart here just so you can see how real it looked. I did pluck this unit. It did come okay, but I needed to pluck it. I wanted it to look as if it's growing out of my scalp, okay? And that's what it did. And I just pulled it to the side. I didn't part or anything. I really like it. I love the feel of it. It was definitely giving what it was supposed to give. And as you, baby, come on, let's do that one more time. Yes, honey. What you gonna tell me? Nothing. This unit is so nice, and I got it off of Amazon. I'm gonna have the link in my bio. It was only $39.99, so I had to grab it. And I don't care what you say out there, but these synthetic wigs are definitely coming in clutch. And baby, I'm forever going to be a synthetic girly. Yes, I love my little nice human hair, Brazilian hair, and all of that. But sometimes, you just need a cute little quick do. And this did it. So just enjoy as I am playing around in this unit. It's very soft. I did go ahead and did put a little bit of my foundation around the perimeter of the wig, but not in the middle. So as you can see, as I parted it, you still get that realistic look. So what you gonna say? What you gonna do? You might as well head and go into that bio, click it, and buy it, because this is what you need in your life. Baby, Sensational did it. Okay?